this.
So first you take a tiny corner off, like this.
No, it's too much.
Sorry, Chef Melissa. Then you just take a tiny corner off like that.
It's not a corner anymore.
Like that. But then you don't want it to get stuck in this flappy thing, so then you have to cut it all off.
Perfect. Just a little snip.
Yeah, it's just a little snip like that. And then you pour it into the bowl. Chef Melissa, would you do the next step, please?
Okay, so next we're gonna crack some eggs.
And keep in mind, this is all from our brain. We're not doing anything. Like, we're not looking at any ingredients or directions.
Yep, straight from your brain.
Yeah. We just have this box here for decoration. We actually made that powder
So, Gina,
ourselves.
would you give me a paper towel?
I'd be honored.
Thank you, my dear.
You're
So
welcome,
first
my
you
dear.
take the egg.
Make sure there's a bunch of shells in it.
Make sure you use all 12. Ready? Just kidding, just one. Take the egg.
And make sure you get shells in the yolk.
Make sure you pop from up here, up high.
Yeah. And then make sure you roll the shell in
Make
like
sure
a
you
taco,
don't crush it.
and then you crush it.
No! Okay.
Then you gotta do a nice mixing session.
You gotta wash your hands with dish soap.
These looks like some Shimo brownies.
Important you use dish soap.
Oh, Shimo! I think we messed it up.
Oh no!
Just don't tell the viewers.
Alright.
We're doing really good. Okay, next step. 1/3, a third of water.
Oh, this is real shimmer.
Okay. And you have to make sure, oh, that's way too much. Oh, stop moving. You make sure you want to have 1 1/4 cup of water. Oh, I meant 1 1/3. You know okay, I don't know what I'm trying to say, but just the like 1/3.
1/3. Alright, then you gotta shimmer it on up. Make sure you make all of it wet, you know. Okay.
And then your brownie mix looks, you have to stir it until there's none of that powder. See how this has no powder in it?
Nice
Yeah.
and ready to eat.
Nice and shimmered up. And then you have to do shift.
Oh, my bad. Okay. Then you have to fill 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. And this is all real vegetable oil.
No, that's grapeseed oil.
Alright, so we're filling 1/3.
That looks really thick.
Should I do a little less?
Nah, I think that's good. So make sure that it's 1/3, you know, like the one with the line and then the 3. You know? No more. Well, Chef McKenzie is going all out. I meant Chef Melissa's going all out. Sorry.
Alright, pour it in.
That looks really shimmery. And then you mix. Oh my gosh, Chef Melissa, we forgot to get out the pan. Just don't tell the viewers that we're in a dilemma.
Alright.
Just go ahead and go over there.
Okay. Excuse me, pardon me. Alright, you want to get a pan this side?
You want to get a pan about this size. It's a 1.5 4x6. If you can read that right there. Okay, so this is the same exact pan, no changes. It's a 12.5 by 20 maximum, if you can read right there. And then Don't put it. Just don't tell the viewers.
See, yummy looking.
That looks like some straight up shit.
It does. Nice and chunky, just like we like it. Ooh, wow.
And then with the rest of the eggs, you have to throw them off a building. We'll show that scene later.
Can't wait for that scene. Wait, does this have chocolate chips in it?
No, that's just. We're not hiding anything. And then
I think it's enough mixing.
wait, hold on right there.
You wanna make your shumo
Well,
mix.
no. Oh yeah, go.
You wanna make it leave it nice and smooth. No chunks at all. Gotta keep it nice and good.
I'll be right back.
Alright. Just keep on mixing. I don't know where Gina is. And Gina.
So you want to get a nice grandma named Pam, so that your you need to get a nice grandma named Pam. Yeah, or Kirkland. Grandma named Kirkland's pretty good too. Well, actually, it does say Pam. See right there, if you can read. Yeah, and then you want to spray it on the bottom of your 20 by 20, 90 inch, 60 4x4 pan. So, Grandma Pam, yep, she's helping us out here.
Real nice.
I like to keep my workspace very clean, and I hate when people dump trash onto the floor like that. Yeah.
Just outrageous.
Yeah. Anyways, and then make sure that the sides are all pammed up. Pam, you think that's good enough? I think it is. Thanks, Pam.
What a great gal.
Yeah. Okay, then you have to mash it up. Make sure there's no chunkies in it. Oh, there's some shimmo down here. Gotta go get it out. Okay. And then this is. You like to have it nice, and you see how there's like no chunks in it, and it's very liquidy. Yeah, we don't. You like it to be very liquidy because that makes for more soupy brownies.
Yum.
Okay, now excuse me,
Oh.
Chef Melissa. Then you want to get these things to scoop out the bread. You want to get these things so that you can scoop out the soup. Okay? So you want to scoop it on out. Over there.
Yum.
Yeah.
Some nice quality shimmo.
That is some quality shimmo, if I do say so myself. Just don't tell the viewers. Okay. Oh! That almost fell. That was a close one.
God, it's almost falling again. I'll hold it.
Okay. And then you just want to, stick it in there.
Another one of these things.
No, sorry. Okay, the spoon's literally going to get nothing in there, but whatever.
Hey, you know what?
Look how much it is. See, it's very soupy if you can't tell.
You gotta wait for it to fall on its own.
Yeah. With the spoon, it just makes it taste better. This makes it taste better, but oh, it comes out like a shark.
Hey, stop.
Hey. Ready? Pam, fight! Okay, and then you like to put that in there. And then it's always good to lick it.
Yum.
That is some good shimmer.
Do you think you're done?
Hey.
I got this.
No, let me do it.
I got this.
Hold it up and I'll push it.
No.
You have to actually hold it up. You're not even holding it up. Okay, this, you know. Don't tell the viewers that I'm not using the wooden spoon.
Alright.
Hold it up, I'm not done. See how the wooden spoon just slicks across, you know? So it's nice and shimmered up. But hold it up! Let me just shimmer this on up.
Just gotta hold it like your life depends on it.
Yeah.
Like you're holding a baby. They really shocked you.
What can I say? I'm hungry.
God. This is a professional show.
What else am I supposed to do? They need to see that it's sometimes okay to eat. Just don't tell them others.
All the viewers on.
Yeah, I'm done. And then you have to spread it out so it's not chunky and stuff. Why is it not sticking to the pan? We put too much Pam in it.
Is that Pam over there?
Pamela, get out!
What's she doing?
I don't know. Pamela. Just don't let Chef Sophie hear that. She will be peed off. Okay.
Like the sound effect. Thank you.
Okay. And then we like to keep it nice and clean. This is about our cleanest spot.
Yep. That's how we clean the spoons.
That is inappropriate. Okay. And then from our brains, I say we cook it about well, in a glass pan, cook it for 5 minutes to bake time, cool. Oh, wait. So, as directed below, for glass pans, add 5 minutes.
That's what I always do.
So, 45 to about 50 minutes bake time for 16 brownies. 24 brownies, 50 to 55. 48 brownies, 54 to 50. Oh, 45 to 50.
That's usually what I do,
Yeah. Okay, so that's just from my brain, And we like to keep the sides of the pan nice and clean, I guess that's the STDs. I guess that's the STDs kicking in,
What? Okay.
Okay, can you?
I'll
Chef
film
Melissa.
this part. So this part we're going in. Time to cook?
Bottom or top, Chef Melissa?
Oh, top. Always.
And then you have to put it in at a 90-degree angle. Yep.
Yep.
And then you do about, what do you say, Chef Melissa? 45 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay. How do I do timer on this? Just don't tell the viewers. All right. 1 minute? No. What if I cancel? Okay, it's still. Oh, set time. That's wrong.
Wait, yeah.
Start time.
Do
Cook time.